I have 4 kids myself, and I can't imagine how it feels not to be able to feed them nutritious meals every single day. So the Caring for Communities program is facilitated by Manitoba chicken producers. What they do is they dedicate a certain amount of chickens per cycle that we want to donate.
Our farmers donate approximately 1,000 chickens a week, which go to our processors. They make weekly deliveries to Harvest Manitoba, where it's then distributed to their network throughout the province of food banks, soup kitchens, help centers for vulnerable people. So approximately 20 to 25,000 meals per month that are being provided with Manitoba chicken protein.
I'm just a small part of it, but I got lots of local farmers, neighbors in our community that are also giving to this cause, and I'm proud that we can support Harvest Manitoba in this way.
Manitoba chicken producers, caring for communities.